Creating a new customer in Dynamics 365 Business Central is one of the first steps in managing your sales process effectively. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process from start to finish. You'll learn how to input essential customer details to ensure your records are accurate and ready for transactions. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access the customers list by clicking on Customers in the action bar on your Business Central home screen. From here, you can see your list of current customers. To add a new customer, click on New from the Customers menu. This will bring up a card that will allow you to build your new customer using preset customer templates. Once you select your template, the new customer card will open with the defaults from the template already pre-filled. Once you are in the new customer card, enter the customer name at the top. If the new customer has a parent company already in your system, you can select a primary customer number to link the two accounts. In the next section, you will be able to enter the customer's contact information. First, fill out the street address. Then, select the country/region code from the drop-down. You can also select the city from the list of options and automatically populate both the name of the city and the postal code or zip code. Next, fill in the customer's main phone number. You'll also need to enter a customer email. This can be a generic email for the company or the address of the primary contact. Next, enter the URL for the customer's main website homepage. Below, you can add individual contact information by clicking on the ellipses in the contact name field. This will bring up a list of existing customer contacts. To add a new contact, click New at the top of the card. Then, in the section marked with an asterisk, fill in the name of the customer contact. Scroll down to the Communication section to enter the contact's direct phone number and their individual email address. Once you have entered the contact info, click the back arrow to return to the list of contacts and select the one you want to list as the primary contact on the customer card. In the next section, you can enter the customer's invoicing information, such as their VAT registration number, their tax area code, their tax exemption number, if they have one, and the customer price group or customer discount group they belong to. Below this is a section for payments information, like the payment terms code and check date format. The next section contains additional shipping information, including the ship to code and the location code. You can also click the toggles to select whether or not you want to combine sales shipments or combine service shipments. At the bottom of the customer card, there is a section for customer statistics. Here, you can find key data about the customer. This will automatically populate once you have completed the new customer setup and at least one entry for the customer. Once you have entered all the relevant information into the customer card, click on the back arrow to exit the card and return to the customer list. Thank you for joining us for this Kwixand tutorial on how to create a new customer in Dynamics 365 Business Central. If you have any questions, you can enter them in the comments below or reach out to us directly at info@kwixand.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to use Dynamics 365 Business Central.